In New York, if I get into an accident and the police cite me, is my case doomed? No, absolutely not. Your case is not doomed merely because a police officer cited you. The police officer may not have been present at the time the accident occurred, and his reliance on somebody else or something else may be wrong and not proper. But there are always two parts to a case. There is the liability or the fault part, and then there is the damages, the injury part to a case, or the harms and losses portion of the case. In terms of the liability or fault portion of the case, you're always dealing with 100 percentage points, and it's up to the plaintiff in a case to prove that the defendant or defendants are responsible for the accident. If you have a motor vehicle accident, you can have a situation where not only is the defendant responsible for an accident, but it could also partially be the plaintiff's fault. Just because an accident is partially your fault doesn't mean that you're not entitled to recover damages under the law. It just means that instead of getting 100% in terms of damages or an award, you may get 75% of what is awarded for injury, for damages, or for harm. It's up to a jury based on the law to determine or apportion fault for an accident. And if a jury determines that a defendant is 75% responsible for the happening of the accident and you're 25% responsible, then if that jury awarded $100,000, your $100,000 award would get cut down to $75,000 because you are 25% responsible for the happening of the accident. So, there are a number of different scenarios that can result in different apportionment. For a free consultation, call the law offices of Ira Perlman and Robert Rosen at 212-689-5000 or visit us online at www.lawyerhelp1.com.